Eugene, Hughes Motorized. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can build a cool custom gas tank using a cheap Harbor Freight welder, the bottom of the line, cheapest flux core welder out there. A lot of people, they get their first welder, they start burning holes through the steel. They haven't quite mastered that because, well, you haven't mastered how to use the welder yet, okay? I'll show you how you can do that. We're going to run a contest too, okay? I'm not going to design it. You are going to design it. One of you is going to design the gas tank that I'm going to build in the video series showing you how to build a custom gas tank, okay? Here's what we're going to do. This is September 27th, 2021. Hopefully we're at the tail end of COVID-geddon. You're going to come up with the design. You're going to email the specifics, okay? Dream up something. Show me some pictures of something that looks cool. Draw me a little sketch, whatever. You need to convey the idea to me, to the type and the style of gas tank you're thinking that would be suitable for a motorized bicycle that we can easily, that we can mount onto a motorized bicycle. Don't worry about the shaping so much. I'll show you how you can do it. This steel works just like Play-Doh, okay? It's harder than Play-Doh, of course. We can stretch it, we can shrink it, we can bend it, we can cut it, we can join it together, we can do all sorts of stuff. I'll figure that out and I'll show you how you can do it. But we'll run a little contest. Whoever sends me the coolest, most baddest ass looking design for a gas tank to hughesmotorized@gmail.com, you got to be willing to pay for it though. I'm not going to provide all the materials and the shipping. Okay, I want $50. That's like 18 bucks or whatever for the priority mail box I'm going to ship it to you in, and $30 for the materials. And I'm going to seal it with Caswell sealer, okay? So that's going to cost. So I'm going to have more than that in it. All right? So if you want me to build one and you're willing to cough up the 50 bucks here shortly, send the information. I'm going to choose one lucky winner. Then I'll do a little video series showing how you can build your own custom gas tank using a cheap flux core welder, and the only other really specialized tool you're going to need will be an angle grinder with a cutting disc. And other than that, I'll show you how you can use just some basic hammers, some basic little tools in order to shape the metal, okay? Check it out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. There's an email in the link there, hughesmotorized@gmail.com. Email in the description, that is, down below. Thanks for watching.